Hello, my name is Jody Miles, and this is my mock presentation for this week's discussion. My plan is to conduct a survey based on my existing customer base in my retail store, because this survey is part of our retail valet improvement in the store. I found that when people started using retail valet, it made our customer wait time a lot better in the stores. Now that we've gone away from it, based on the fact that we're not in the holiday season, there's less customers coming in the doors just because of the time of year. March and April being lower traffic volumes, and also moving stores created a need to improve our traffic conversion, our NPS scores, and also the commission that is made. So my introduction is based on really improving the customers, the wait time, and utilization of retail valet. The area of focus is really to increase a lot in using retail valet, increasing awareness of retail valet, increase net promoter score, which is a customer survey that they take, increase traffic conversion, increase revenue, and of course increase commission made. When we're defining the variables, I am currently in a lower traffic store, less customers that will participate just based on the numbers of customers that we see a day. I am not sure that 100% of them will participate in the survey. And then also, because this survey is not just for the customer, it is also for the employees. We do have a limited amount of staff working each day. The research questions that I have are: what are the reasons why customers use retail valet? What are the reasons why retail employees use retail valet? And what would increase the use of retail valet for customers versus retail employees? My action plan is on April 12th. I will conduct my survey. If the traffic isn't favorable that day, I will conduct 2 days worth of surveys or relocate to a close by store. I will explain to the customers that I am trying to improve their visit, but need some information before doing so. Once the day is done, I will review the information that is gathered on the surveys and record the results. I will also have a handout for the customers thanking them and telling them how to use retail valet in the future. My plan for this research is to be able to help my market out to increase some results that pay us big bucks for a while understanding why people do not use this service as we would like them to. My survey, as I said previously, would have 2 groups of people that it would be conducted on, 1 being the customer and 2 being the frontline employee. With having a background in retail valet, I feel that I will not be surprised with the responses to the survey and would be looking for an increase in using the software. I did find lots of different articles on the internet, and listed are the top 3 articles that I have gone back to many times for the different assignments that we've had to do. Most importantly, I believe that intervention outcomes is exactly what you see here. Lots of money. When we are able to organize and manage our wait time properly, set appointments, have customers happy and not upset that they're waiting, in the end, we as salespeople will make a lot more money.